So the Caribbean Premier League proper, the CPL, the region's premier T20 tournament, bowls off tomorrow. This is after the experiment of the inaugural 60 or T10 appetizer, and the Maverick has two concerns this season. One minor concern and one major concern. The minor concern was the 60 or the T10 tournament. It just came and went. It might grow on me, but probably it's because it started and finished so fast. It no grabbed me yet. Now the major concern with the CPL proper, the Trinbago Knight Riders. They won 3 of the last 5 CPL titles clearly, the most dominant franchise in the league. With that team adding arguably the best T20 all-rounder in the world, Jamaica's Andre Russell. A joke thing? Yes. No doubt this will be a one-sided season of the CPL. We know the thing about the Trinbago and the Calcutta Knight Riders in India, which is Russell's IPL team, having the same owners. So he had to join the Trinbago team. But this is a killer for the credibility and the competitiveness of the CPL. Before a ball is bowled, we know who are going to win. Yes. All of the glorious uncertainty is gone out of the CPL. The winners of the 2022 Caribbean Premier League will be...